Imagine waking up tomorrow to find Canada's workforce suddenly shrunk by half. Sounds far-fetched? Well, it's not as impossible as you might think. Did you know that immigrants account for nearly 100% of Canada's labor force growth? That's right. Without immigration, Canada's working-age population would be in decline. Let's paint a picture. It's 2025, and all immigrants have left Canada. The impact? Devastating. Industries like healthcare, tech, and agriculture would face severe shortages. Hospitals might struggle to function. Farms could lie fallow. And tech innovation could grind to a halt. But it's not just about jobs. Immigrants drive innovation, start businesses, and contribute to Canada's economic diversity. They're vital for the country's fiscal health, especially with 5 million Canadians set to retire by 2030. And here's a shocker. Immigrants make up about 75% of Canada's population growth. Without them, Canada's population would start shrinking, putting immense pressure on public services like healthcare and pensions. The bottom line? Immigration isn't just beneficial for Canada. It's essential. It's the fuel that keeps Canada's economic engine running, ensuring the country remains prosperous and globally competitive. So next time you hear about immigration, remember, it's not just about newcomers, it's about Canada's future.